Xfinity's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band often experiences dropped connections due to interference and congestion. This band offers better range and wall penetration compared to higher frequencies. However, it's susceptible to issues from household devices and neighboring networks. Interference comes from microwaves operating at 2.45 GHz, Bluetooth devices, and nearby Wi-Fi networks. The core problem is channel congestion, where multiple devices compete on the same channels, causing signal degradation. As of late 2025, Xfinity continues using dual-band gateways, but promotes upgrades to Wi-Fi 6 and 6E for better performance. To address these issues, split SSIDs into separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to maximize device performance. Two primary solutions to improve 2.4 GHz stability are splitting SSIDs and optimizing channel selection. Splitting SSIDs involves creating separate network names for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. For example, My Network 2.4 and My Network 5G. This allows you to connect devices that only support 2.4 GHz to its dedicated network, preventing band hopping and reducing drops. Channel selection involves manually choosing a less congested channel. In the US, typical choices are 1, 6, or 11. Use the Xfinity app or a Wi-Fi analyzer tool to select the best channel. Also, make sure your router is centrally located and away from metal and electronics for optimal performance. By implementing these fixes, you can significantly reduce 2.4 GHz drops and improve your Xfinity Wi-Fi experience.